If you want to start your own affiliate marketing business or you're new to affiliate marketing, then you need to watch this video because this video is so important. I'm going to show you how you can earn up to 75% commission on this one product, and it's an amazing thing. It's a 10-day challenge that will help you to grow your audience and start your own affiliate marketing business. You need to stay tuned, so check it out. Hi and welcome to Eagle Vision, where we motivate and inspire you to create a life of abundance. My name is Gershwin, and in this video I'm going to show you a program that earns me 75% commission, and I think you should jump on this opportunity. It's an opportunity that's valid for 10 days where you can earn 75% commission. So if somebody buys through your link, you earn 75% commission. And what does that look like? Now, before we get into the video, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I upload a video. So I'm going to jump behind my computer and I'm going to show you what this program is, how you can promote it, the steps that you need to do in order to promote it, and how you can earn your 75% commission. And you need to jump on this bandwagon because it's an opportunity of a lifetime, and I want to share this opportunity with you. So just one moment, let's jump behind the PC. So with affiliate marketing, you know that creating content is important. So you can create content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. But this 10-day challenge is only for TikTok. So if you don't have a TikTok account, no worries. Sign up with TikTok, and with this challenge, it's going to help you to grow on TikTok, to get more followers, and it's going to help you to make sales on TikTok. Now, you can use external factors to promote the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, but what you need to focus on is creating content on TikTok. But if you don't have a TikTok account, don't even worry about it. You can create a TikTok account, and once you created it, upload videos in the meanwhile, because this challenge starts on the 12th of July 2021. So you still have time to buy the course and also to grow your TikTok followers. And you can even, some people it takes a week to grow to 1,000 followers. Some people it can even be overnight. So it depends on what type of content you put out there. So, okay, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna show you quickly. Okay, let me just go into my computer here and let me show you. Let me show you. Okay. So it's a TikTok 10-day challenge. It helps you to generate traffic. But in order for you to get the 75% commission, there's two steps that you need to do, or two things that you need to do first, right? Step number one is, down in my description is the link to the 3-day breakthrough challenge. It will only cost you $7. So once you signed up with the 3-day breakthrough challenge, the next step is joining the Facebook group. I'll quickly show you that. Let me show you that on here. Okay, yeah. So here they say, do you want ultimate leads, sales, and traffic free? New TikTok challenge starting July 12th. I am giving 75% commission as well. And this is where it says, if you go down, how to access or how to get access is actually 2 steps. And step number 1 is join the 3-day breakthrough challenge. And down in my description is a link that you need to click, and it will cost you $7. Once you signed up to the 3-day breakthrough, and please go through it. It's very good information about affiliate marketing, and it helps you to set up your affiliate marketing business, and in 3 days. It's super cool. The next step is then join the private Facebook group. And once you join the private Facebook group, you will then get access. You will get a link that, and every time you promote that link in the 10 days and somebody signs up, you get 75% commission. Now let's look at what 75% commission would look like with the 3-day breakthrough. So if you're promoting the 3-day breakthrough, right? and somebody buys the 3-day breakthrough from you or through your link, it will cost them $7, and you'll make $5. If somebody signs up, you'll make $5, but that's nothing. But there's also the mentorship program, the Freedom Breakthrough program that he also has. It's also upsell. So if somebody buys, it's $997, and if somebody buys that product through your link, you get like $750 almost. Just think about it, $750 for one sale. You just need to get one person per day, and you already make $700. Even for the month, if your budget, so if your goal is $700 a month, $700, easy as that. So I would say, what is stopping you from signing up? If you have $7 to invest at $7. Click the link below in my description and sign up. Sign up to the private Facebook group. If you need any help with any of the steps, like setting up your funnel, maybe using a free software to set up your funnel, I'm happy to share my funnel with you. And when you sign up to the 3-day breakthrough, I'm happy to do that for you. And also I have a few bonuses that I'm going to give you as well if you sign up today with the 3-day breakthrough. I'm promoting it early. It only starts on the 12th, but I'm promoting it early so that you can go through the 3-day breakthrough challenge, right? And learn how to start your affiliate marketing business. And then it also gives you a few days also to start your TikTok. If you need any help and you sign up under my link and you need any help, I'll help you to set up your TikTok account. You can use a few of my videos, like ideas of the videos that I do, and you can use that for your TikTok account, and just get more people involved. I'll help you with that. I'll help you with the funnel if you don't want to invest like $79 for ClickFunnels and you want a free alternative. I'll help you with that as well, and I'll also give you a few other tips and a few other bonuses that I have for you if you want to do that. But the ball is in your court. I would say, if you want to jump on this, jump on it now. Don't be left behind. If you want to make extra money, this is your opportunity now. The reason why I'm saying it, like if you sign up today, right? I don't get 75% today. So if you sign up to the $7, I'm not even actually making a lot of money when you sign up to the $7. So it's not about that, but it's about giving you an opportunity to earn 75% and make extra money online. And it's so easy. All you need to do on TikTok, right? Once you sign up to the 3-day breakthrough, the link in my description, and you join the Facebook group, right? This is what you need to do. So you need to create, here they say it's 2 regular posts, right? So a regular post is making just a video that's 15 seconds long, bro. 15 seconds long. Girl or guy, sorry. 15 seconds long, right? 9 to 15 seconds long. 2 videos daily. Then you need to make 1 duet video. A duet video is where you make a video, or you make it almost like a response to somebody else's video. So you guys will be set face to next to each other, and this person will do the video and you'll just react to that video. So that's kind of duet. You're doing it together. So just 1 duet a day. So it's only 3 videos a day on TikTok, and it will help you to grow. It will also help you with your affiliate marketing business. So here's your chance now. You don't have to get involved if you don't want to get involved. If you have any questions about how to do this, how to set up everything, if you need my help with anything, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to answer your question and to help you on your journey. But this is for somebody that's new to affiliate marketing. This is for somebody that's maybe been struggling with affiliate marketing and doesn't know how to get started, or maybe somebody that wants to make extra money and needs extra money to pay off their debt, go on a holiday, or anything like that. Then this opportunity is for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and follow. And please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I upload a video. So until next time, be blessed and create success. Bye.